Do you want to know how to dispute a transaction on your Apple Pay and get your refund back quickly? Here's how to do it. So first, go to the apple.com/apple-pay and just simply scroll down until you reach the end and you will see a bunch of options right here. Just go to the About Apple section and you will see the Contact Apple right there, and just click on it and you will redirect to contacting Apple, which is it provides you such contacts which is for businesses, education, and the online Apple Store. Also, when you scroll down, you will see the North American corporate contacts as well, which is the United States, Canada, as well as the Mexico. So for the product and service report, here are the descriptions, and here is the corporate address as well. And for your Apple Pay disputing transaction, you can also visit the support.apple.com/apple-pay. So in this page, you will see the Apple Pay support, which is you can view account balances, update remove card, and see Apple Pay transactions, especially, and you can also ask people on the community for you to able to know how to dispute a transaction correctly, or just use the support, which is you can start doing it right now. So that's how you dispute a transaction on your Apple Pay.